Hello friends, welcome to the new video of Zita Site Builder. I am Anurag, here to show you how to build an electronic shop in a very short time. First, you will need the Zita Site Builder, so download it first. Now click on Create My Website. Choose among the preferred page builders, later the same will help you customize your website. You can select your category here. There are lots of designs to choose from. Some are premium that will be unlocked after you purchase their Pro version. You can upgrade to Pro from here. We want to build an electronic site, so this design would be suitable. This is a demo site. Your site will look like this page after completion. You can go back and choose another design or click on Continue. Here you can select some points and click on Build My Website. You are a few seconds away from your site. This may take a while. The website has been built. You can customize the website from here or see the live website from here. The website is the same as we chose from the design section. Let's customize the site. You can customize and personalize it in your own way. You can add a new block, and edit and remove the existing one. You can enhance the section by inserting some designs. After customization, save the changes and go back to your site. Changes have been saved. You can still make some global changes through Customizer. Click on Customize in the top left corner. We will change the logo first. Click on Change Logo. Now update the new logo. You can write the tagline of your site here. To change the theme and background color, click here. Select the colors. You can put an image in the background too. You can add the CSS additionally through this section. After all, click on Publish to save the changes. As it is an e-commerce site, the users can compare products, put them in the wish list for later, and cart to purchase the items. So that's how you can build a website within 2 minutes without any technical knowledge or coding. I hope this will help you. Thanks for watching.